do I rest? Where do I play? It feels as though I've been up in this gridlock for days. Still I'm hoping that this shit stops, but hey, whatever happened to the hip-hop parades? It ain't funny, I could get shot today. Man's hold buckies and the chicks clocking the praise. I wish it wasn't the case, but to them it's not and it's okay. This world seems far from genuine. Seeing all this almost makes it hard remembering times when my mind was occupied with computer games. It's all changed and I couldn't tell you who's to blame. Move and gain, I'm just hoping I might bust. Maybe then there'll be no need catching a night bus. This means a lot to me, I never just write stuff. It's funny what you see along the roads of your life, but life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move. Yo, life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move. Already 20 years old, now that can't be right. Why do I feel like I've already lived half my life? People telling me that death is a part of life, but they're all lost for words when I ask them why. So many things on my mind, so I start to write, wondering if in this battle I'm a last to fight. Me, my brother, my uncle, they're my heart, we're tight. We converse through the night till a spark of light. Nowadays chicks, them, they ain't half as bright. All cutting up their chest for a larger size. The kind of man you will attract in the park at night. The kind of man that will approach you with a mask and knife. I don't laugh, I cry, these the hardest times. Apart from rhymes, I'm trying to feed my starving mind. I ask a lot of questions I can't deny, but I'd be fibbing if I knew where all the answers lie. Life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move. Yo, life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move. Life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move. Yo, life got me stressed. True, I'm trying to figure what might be the best route. Yeah, but every time I get next to what I'm seeking, all I find is the next move, the next move.
Yeah, I'm on my game all day, the same all day. Took me a long time, but never quit it, no way. And I ain't high nothing, I ain't doing 2 pays. On my beat, flying kicks, kinda like I'm no way. Creating a fiasco, kinda like I'm hooray. Did a party like at 18, kinda like I'm hooray. Ask April and June, man, you cannot fool me. It makes no sense, like strip clubs without booty. I flip that old school sound, do it a new way. But ain't nothing sweet in here, cannot fool me. But I can lay the bars down, give you a cool 8 or 16 or 24, maybe more. Smart like professors, call me Ide Fiore. And everything you're doing now, man, I did that way before. Yeah, you know the deal. Get the drummer song. Turn the beat up, turn it. I'm always up to something, my adrenaline is pumping. And I'm always making green, get it cut like I'm comping. And that's why these blockers frontin', cause they always on the block. And I'm leaving the parking lot across the world, and they not going anywhere. My show is very rare. The hell with these elevated boys, I had to climb many stairs. One of a kind man, but not often a kind man. I'm always on the pitch, I'm not a line man, get it? But still a line man, get it? Still getting chased like don't get it. The flow so authentic, a giant to a midget. That's what I am, you get it? Turn the beat up, yeah. Drummer boy, turn the beat up.
Turn the beat up, turn the beat up.
Don't bring a gun, bring a pen and a pad. And while you're writing in the meanwhile, to pay for your cheap talk, I'll rip you with a freestyle. Evil and good, fake and real, there's a war in this, but there's an orifice, I'll lead you through like Morpheus. I'm less patient, can't take much more of this. Cheap talk, cheap hosts, cheap thrills. TV's not reality, reality's too ill. So what's it gonna be, the red or the blue pill? Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. LYNX, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious. Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. LYNX, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious. Better get used to it, I'm gonna be about on bare days. There's gonna be bare rain up in the airways. I lied about hearing us when we spit this stuff. All 5 of your senses will pick it up. We'll be around for time and so vivid, so don't worry if you blink, you won't miss it. For all those trying to mess with mine, no lay. I make tracks get left behind. Eat my dust, beef I'll eat man's up. I'll rain so hard that your fake bling will rust. No long thing, a matter of life and death. I'll spit rhymes till there's no other rhymer left. If life's a game, then you better find a ref. I'm deadly serious, not much time is left. I'm coming, the name's Rain. Best remember, it's gonna rain from January to December. Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. LYNX, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious. Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. LYNX, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious. Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. LYNX, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious. Rain, my crew link side are deadly serious. Look me in my link's eyes, I'm deadly serious. LYNX, that spells deadly. EYED, that spells serious.
Fully charged, yeah. Listen, said I'm fully charged. Freestyling, you don't know it. Throw it, explode it. From the top of the dome, I blow it like it's wind sailing through the leaves and the trees. I camouflage, fly with the bees. Niggas see me in the sky in the form of a cloud. Spit to the crowd, get loud. Wow, my whole style since a child been Millie. Slap a nigga till the dome just silly. What you want? Pop, Willie pop, Jitty what? Freestyle in the bottom of the gut, and it's so dramatic like the ocean's crashing in the form of waves. I'm a walk in the rave, and when I pop my style, you get transformed from the name to a civilized man with the mic in the hand instead of a gat. You wanna strap something else? Follow me back. Listen, yo, run it back though, run it back though. I run this race like an athlete, run this pace. MCs wanna change, get raised, the mic get laced. This is hip-hop apocalypse. Your whole style is preposterous. How you gonna stop me? This is nonsense. This I roll with hectic and some monstrous. And it's like the microphone I'm kissing. Use my intuition from the dome, just chin. Leave your whole mind itching, scratching your scalp. Cold like the out when I roll flows. Niggas don't know the mouth that I pose with, froze with, cold with, so cold with since the school days. Who choose who's the blaze when I plays? Press play, press stop, pause, rewind, blow with the mind. Penetrate your whole spine, make you wind your waist, and I'm finding a place, my whole style. This is hip-hop apocalypse. Your whole style is preposterous. How you gonna stop me? This is nonsense. This I roll with hectic and some monstrous dudes that be on the rap scene. From the Paco to Hackney, whatever you call it, slang the man. I walk with a little twang in my hand. With a bop and my sword and my glistening from the back when I style of the rap. This is hip-hop apocalypse. Your whole style is preposterous. When I flip flows acrobatically like some gymnasts, get panicky, and my whole style is just anarchy. From the court of the keys, my reward is to please. Whatever the keys say, I do say, please say. Wanna talk about the he say, she say. I'm I double. The game's in trouble, I bubble with the crowd to the walls up.